Hello everyone, welcome to CraftWithAfshin. Today I've got this beautiful um, brown Mallee burl. It's an Australian wood. I've got here a roughly 9-inch diameter, which I'm going to turn a bowl out of it. I'm going to leave some of the this spiky burrs because some part of it is lower spot, so I know those spots I can leave them behind, and the other uh, spots will be nice and smooth. So it can be a reminder of how it was. Okay guys, as you can see, sadly I've lost the footage to this part. Basically I went with the bowl gouge, did some cuts to get the off balance, the part where off balance. I got them off and I started making a recess. Then I realized my phone, my camera was turned off. Okay guys, as you can see, I've turned a bit, but I realized the camera was turned off by itself, so sadly I've lost that footage. Oh man, but it's not that much lost. I just went with the bowl gouge, took off the off balance. One side was bigger, one side was smaller, as you saw on the first part, but I started on the recess. That's when I looked and saw it was turned off, so I'm sorry about that. I'll keep on checking, from now on to make sure it's all right. But I'm gonna just make this a bit deeper, so I have somewhere to grip, you know. I think that looks alright to me, you know. I tried to get that bandsaw cut off the ball because this piece was bigger, you know, but an odd shape, you know, with one side sticking up like that, which I've cut, and one side here, so it had two slice marks. So I think that's alright, and it's showing a nice grain here, but I'm keeping this part like that as a reminder, you know, for years, that how it was, the wood, how it was. There's no other indication to someone who haven't seen the whole piece before being turned. So this low spot could show it, you know. So I'm gonna sand this now, and then I'll come back. Okay, I've sanded to 400. Now I'm going to apply Yorkshire grit. Just going to spread it around first, and then I'll turn the lathe on. Just zoom it for you guys. So now I'm gonna let that dry for a bit, and then I'll apply microcrystalline wax. Don't know if the lighting, I don't think the lighting is good here to show you guys how nice the grain is, but at the end I will show you guys some pictures as well, so you get to see how it turned out. But I'm going to do just the same as I did on the back. Apply microcrystalline wax 3 times and I'll let it dry. I always buff it up and then apply another coat. I think it has a lot of effect on the finish you get if you buff it up after each coat. So it's up to you if you do that as well, but I find that I get a really good result doing that. I'm just buffing out right now. As you can see, I'm just using a paper towel. It's very good for buffing out. You don't have to have like a buffing wheel, expensive buffing wheels, to get a nice finish. It all depends on how good you've sanded beforehand. It's all about that. If you get a good sanding and get it up to at least 1000 grit, which with the Yorkshire grit it's supposed to get it to up to 1000 grit, and you'll get a very nice shine. Okay guys, it's all done now. I've polished the microcrystalline wax both sides. I didn't do any texturing with that wheel because it's already got nice burr, so it's just not for this piece. I'll use it on the other pieces. Thank you all for watching. I hope you liked the video. Please don't forget to like and comment below, and I'll talk to you guys on the next video. Bye.